Hello. Welcome to Certified Network Engineer, CNE Foundation course by Brain Pulley. Let's start with Section 1, Information Networks. In this section you will learn about modems, lanes, WANs, clients, servers, the Internet, the World Wide Web, intranets, extranets, PSTN and ISDN networks, ADSL, analog versus digital, how networks use phone lines, wireless networking, what is shared over a network, how transfer rates are measured, web addresses, web browsers, search engines, protected websites, encryption, digital certificates, virus issues, avoiding internet fraud. Lesson 1.1 Basic Terms. Computers are designed to help us process, manage, and communicate information. We have seen how computers can process information, and how they can store it. Now it is time to learn about how computers can communicate with each other. The field of study, which deals with computer communication, is called networking. In this lesson, you will receive a gentle introduction to some basic computer networking concepts, like modems, LANs, WANs, what a client is, and what a server is. You will also learn why computer networks are a fundamental building block of the Internet and the World Wide Web. Modem. A modem is a special hardware device, which can take digital signals from a computer, and convert them into a different type of signal for transmission over a carrier medium, of some kind. Often, to transmit information over an analog carrier, like a traditional phone line, the signal conversion is from digital to analog. In these cases, the modem will also convert incoming analog signals into digital signals, that the computer can understand. The name modem comes from the term modulator. A modem modulates outgoing signals into another type of signal, digital to analog, while at the same time demodulating incoming signals, analog to digital. Originally, modems were used to transmit computer data over traditional phone lines. Now, they are often used to accommodate high-speed internet access, such as cable modems and DSL modems. A cable modem provides high-speed internet access, by allowing users to exchange computer data over the cable television infrastructure, coaxial cable wires. A DSL modem provides access to high-speed internet through the phone service infrastructure, telephone wires. While traditional modems are often housed internally within the computer's box or tower, cable modems and DSL modems are typically external devices that plug into a computer's Ethernet port. LAN. Before we discuss computer networks any further, we should first define a network. For the purposes of this discussion, you can think of a network as two or more computers that are interconnected in such a way that they can exchange information. The term LAN stands for a local area network. This type of network is typically small in terms of the area it covers. Some examples of LANs are typical office networks, a network for a single university department, or a home network. Most LANs in use today take advantage of Ethernet technology, which uses special hardware and communication protocols to enable computers on the LAN to exchange information at high rates. A simple LAN network could look like the following. This image shows a bus network topology. The computers, perhaps each computer is on a desktop in an office, exchange information over a long interconnecting Ethernet bus. Each computer is connected to the bus with a wire that runs to the bus from the computer's Ethernet port. Another common LAN topology is the star topology, shown in the following image. In this topology, the computers can exchange information with each other by connecting to a central hub. Basically, the hub serves as a miniature version of the longer bus from the previous topology. This topology is frequently used because it is easily adaptable to most physical environments, like an office, since the long bus is not necessary. Just as with the bus, each computer connects to the hub with a cable running from its Ethernet network port. If you have not already guessed, a network topology is a description of the physical or actual and logical layout of the connections and computers, nodes, in a network. Although different LANs can be designed around different topologies, all LANs have a few basic features in common. The key thing to remember is that a LAN is a local area network, and therefore covers only a relatively small geographical area. 1. A WAN is a wide area network. These networks span a significantly larger geographical area than do LANs. A typical WAN will use more networking hardware than a LAN, and will also use the public communications, telephone system, infrastructure to span municipal or regional boundaries. WANs can be used to connect multiple LANs that are dispersed over a wide area. In this sense, a WAN can be thought of as a network comprised of smaller networks. ISPs, Internet Service Providers, will use WANs to distribute their Internet service to their clients. A customer of an ISP may then use the ISP's WAN to provide Internet access to their own LAN. The main differences between a LAN and a WAN are as follows. LAN does not use public communications, telephone company, infrastructure, while WAN often uses public communications infrastructure. LAN connects multiple computers over a relatively small geographical area, while WAN connects multiple LANs over a wide geographical area. LAN enables computers on the LAN to exchange information, whereas WAN can provide LANs, or other single machines, with access to the Internet. In addition, WAN can be described as a network of smaller networks.